For this activity, we will take inspiration from the painting La Douane, The Customs. To create the artwork, I took inspiration from the stripes on the wallpaper, the gaze and neck scarf of the character in the painting, and the trunk full of fabrics and costumes. To begin, gather all of your art materials. You will need plain card, scissors, a pencil, a ruler, oil pastels, sticky tape, a glue stick, and some string. First, take your card, your pencil, and scissors. Draw out a crescent shape, like the shape of a large smile. Carefully cut it out using your scissors. Next, draw an oval eye shape. Cut this out and use the shape to draw around. Make 11 more oval shapes, and then cut out each one. Next, take your ruler and draw 12 lines, approximately 2 centimeters wide each. Cut out each strip of card. Take your crescent smile shape and begin to place your card strips along the bottom of it. When you're happy with where they are placed, take your glue stick and sticky tape. Glue each strip and then turn the whole piece over. Add sticky tape to secure further. Now take your oval shapes. Again, arrange them on top, and when you are ready, use the glue stick to attach them. When this is done, turn it over again and use more sticky tape to secure further. For the final stage, take your oil pastels and decide which colours you would like to use. Using the oil pastels, colour in all of your cardboard pieces. Use your imagination to come up with your very own designs and colour combinations. When you are finished colouring in, turn over your artwork and using sticky tape, attach a piece of string to each side. You can now try on your wonderful artwork by tying it loosely at the back of your shoulders. The artwork can also be hung directly on the wall. I can't wait to see your wonderful artworks.